Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech, and you are looking at the newly unboxed Dyson V6 Motorhead Cord Free Vacuum. And you're also looking at the reason why we got this. She sheds about a blanket a day. Say hi to Sadie, my dog. Here we got little Sadie laying down and shedding hair all over the rug. Give her a little pet here and get some of that hair off and show you what we're dealing with on a daily basis. I can literally vacuum twice a day with this dog, but we still love her. So we got a little bit more here for us to vacuum up. Sadie doesn't mind. She loves it when
that winds up all over my carpets and all over the hardwood.
So I went on to Amazon Prime and got the Dyson V6 Motorhead Cord Free Vacuum. And you wouldn't believe what I got this for, but it came with some accessories, including a brush head and the narrow head with a charger and a rack. Now, it normally retails for around $209. And you'll see some of the parts here. Assembles pretty easily. Now it activates by pulling this trigger down here. That's red. See that? Now I have it set to max. You can pull the trigger and hit this button to turn max on and off. Now, even with that little bit of vacuum cleaning, we managed to pick up a little bit of hair because, as I said before, Sadie sheds all the time. We'll talk about that a little bit right after this. Now, back in the day, people did all sorts of funny things with their pets and dogs, including pure breeding them and making sure that they had a really tight family tree for their dogs. And they would spend a lot of money coiffing them, cutting their hairs, and basically putting them in embarrassing situations. With that in mind, we decided to make a change. There were so many dogs out there that needed homes, and rather than let them suffer in shelters, we decided to adopt our own little Sadie. Sadie, you see in the video today, does all the shedding in our house, and she's the reason why we bought all these vacuum cleaners. But we do love her dearly, and she's a beloved part of our family and a lot of fun. And that is why we adopted her back in the day. So we're back, and as you can see, I filled it up to the max level line here, and you really don't want to go over that because it will tend to get jammed up and you'll end up with hair or all debris stuck at the top of the vacuum cleaner, and it's a little bit harder to clean, so you don't want to go over that max line. Getting a vacuum cleaner, it's a little bit loud, but not too bad, and you can still talk over it, and it does reach under most furniture, not all furniture, but most. You need about 3 or 4 inches of clearance to get underneath the furniture. As you can see, the head of the vacuum cleaner rotates almost 180 degrees, so you can get any sort of angle that you want to get, and it provides you with a lot of flexibility as far as reaching under things and getting all those little nooks and crannies. Okay. And as you can see, I got it up to the full mark there, and we're just going to go ahead and empty this. I'm outside. You can hear some planes going overhead, but that's okay. The bottom drops out, and we'll shake all that dirt and grime out of there. So with that, I'm shutting it back up, and we're empty again, ready to go. So we're back, and I just got done emptying out the Dyson Cord Free V6 vacuum cleaner, and it goes back together real easy like that. A little snap of the attachment here, and this is the head. It can articulate just about any which way you want it to, so it really gets you into all the tight corners that you need it to get into. Also comes with some attachments. This is the rack that it hangs on the wall. Pretty cool. And the attachments snap on and off the rack, and then snap right on so you can get into the tight corners. I like being able to pull the trigger. It's cool. It really is convenient. However, if you're doing a large room or a large area, this does fill up quite quickly. So if you are using this long term and you have a pet that sheds a lot, you're going to be emptying the canister out quite a bit and doing a lot of maintenance on it. So it's great for somebody who has a small house, medium-sized apartment. If you have a house that's over, say, 2,000 square feet, you may just want to keep this on one floor to do your housework with. Now, I got this unit, the V6 model, for, there you go, hit the trigger again, it's pretty sensitive. I got it for $129 as a fire sale. Now, this one's been refurbished, so it came with all the guarantees, and I got it through Amazon. I put a link down below for this unit. You may find it more expensive when you see this video. Keep an eye on it. Once you do search for it on Amazon, a little trick I learned is that if you wait, you will see it come up again in your fire sale feed. So keep an eye out for it. It is a good buy at 129 bucks. It's even a good buy at 150 bucks. You'll see them retailing a lot higher than that. So it's a nice vacuum cleaner. It gets the job done for a lot of like quick vacuuming jobs. It lasts about 20 minutes. The suction's pretty strong. The main floor cleaning head spins off of the suction. It's not a motorized drive, so it won't be too hard on hardwood floors and carpeting. So that's it. Like I said, if you have any questions, please just give me a shout out down below. I'll be willing to answer them for you. We're going to be using this quite a bit. My dog sheds all the time, so we do have a need for it. And again, I'll put links for purchasing this down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and have an awesome day. This is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.